I just discovered magic. I can make all natural ingredients into a fall orchard body wash, so let's see how we can do it. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use their essential oils to make all natural products. So turn off your distractions because making is healing, so let's get started on this month's recipe. Before I tell you what you'll need, we at Simply Earth are absolutely obsessed with teaching you how to make products with your essential oils. And that is why if you get our everyday essential themed recipe box, or you can find all of the ingredients in this box at simplyearth.com. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. So let's grab our recipe box as well as our bonus box and find out what we need for this recipe. From your recipe box, you're gonna wanna grab your body wash powder, your autumn air, and your bergamot essential oil. From your bonus box, you'll grab your almond oil, and from your home or from Simply Earth website, you'll grab a 4-ounce bottle. All right, let's get started with our recipe. All right, the first step to this recipe is you're going to grab 4 ounces of distilled water and you're going to put it into the bottle. I grabbed my distilled water ahead of time so that I had it all ready. All right, next step, you're gonna add a half of a tablespoon of your body wash powder into your bottle. All right, now that the body wash powder is in the water, you're gonna shake this up. And then you're gonna let this sit for 6 hours. While this is sitting and kind of melting together, I'm going to add my almond oil and essential oils together, mix that up, and then add that once this has been sitting for about 6 hours. All right, now that my body wash is kind of off and melding together and setting, I'm gonna add the almond oil and the essential oils together, stir it, and then we should be all set. We're gonna add a half of a tablespoon of almond oil, and then 10 drops of bergamot, and then 10 drops of our autumn air essential oil blend. These two essential oils combined together are going to smell absolutely amazing. We picked the bergamot essential oil in this blend because it's super nourishing for your skin. It blends well with the autumn air and it's gonna be absolutely great. I'm gonna mix these together. All right, now that this has been sitting for about 6 hours, I'm gonna add my essential oil and almond oil to my body wash, shake it, and we should be good to go. All right, now that this is ready to go, I'm gonna grab my label so that I know what's in the bottle, and then I'm gonna test it out. All right, now I have it labeled, I can put the date on it, and we're all set. You can make this fall orchard body wash too. I absolutely love this body wash because it's super great for traveling. You don't have to worry about having to have your stuff under 4 ounces because you can just grab the powder, make it as soon as you get there, and you have your own body wash. I absolutely love seeing all of your guys' creations. So go ahead and take a picture of your creation and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that we can see all of the fun recipes that you guys are creating. If you want to turn your essential oils into natural products like this, then you need to get the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. It actually teaches you how to unlock the power of all natural ingredients.